Bear. A bear is a large, carnivorous mammal belonging to the family Ursidae. They are found in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, Asia, and South America. There are several species of bears, including the polar bear, brown bear, black bear, and panda bear. Bears are known for their large, powerful bodies and sharp claws, which they use for hunting and foraging. They are also known for their distinctive appearance, with a shaggy coat and a broad, flat face. Some bears, such as the polar bear and the panda bear, are at risk of extinction due to habitat loss and other human activities. Despite their fearsome reputation, bears are generally shy and avoid human contact, but can be dangerous if provoked or threatened. The lifespan of a bear varies depending on the species and the individual bear's environment and lifestyle. On average, bears live for about 20 to 30 years in the wild. However, some bears have been known to live much longer than this. For example, the oldest recorded wild brown bear lived to be 39 years old, while the oldest recorded polar bear lived to be 32 years old. The lifespan of captive bears can also vary widely depending on the quality of care they receive. In some cases, captive bears have been known to live significantly longer than their wild counterparts, with some individuals living into their 40s or even 50s. Factors that can affect a bear's lifespan include genetics, diet, habitat quality, and exposure to environmental toxins and other stressors. Overall, bears that are able to live in healthy, natural environments and avoid human conflicts tend to live longer than those that are forced to adapt to human-dominated landscapes. Bears exhibit a variety of behaviors, many of which are shaped by their biology, environment, and interactions with other animals, including humans. Some common behaviors exhibited by bears include foraging. Bears are omnivores, and spend much of their time foraging for food. Depending on the species and the availability of food, bears may eat a variety of plants, insects, small animals, fish, and carrion. Hibernation. Some bear species, including the brown bear and the black bear, hibernate during the winter months. During hibernation, the bear's heart rate and metabolism slow down, allowing it to conserve energy and survive on stored body fat. Aggression. While bears are generally shy and avoid contact with humans, they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or cornered. It's important to give bears plenty of space and avoid behaviors that could be perceived as threatening, such as approaching a bear too closely or surprising it. Communication. Bears communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent markings. For example, a bear may use growls or huffs to indicate aggression or dominance, or use urine or scratch marks to mark its territory. Play. Like many animals, bears engage in play behavior, especially when they are young. Play may involve wrestling, chasing, or other physical activities that help young bears develop important skills and social bonds. This content may violate our content policy. If you believe this to be in error, please submit your feedback. Your input will aid our research in this area. Bears have different mating behaviors depending on the species. Generally, bears are solitary animals that only come together for breeding purposes. In most bear species, mating occurs in the spring or summer. During this time, males will roam in search of receptive females. When a male finds a female in estrus, he may court her by making vocalizations, rubbing against her, or nuzzling her. If the female is receptive, she may engage in mating with the male. Mating in bears is typically brief and can be quite aggressive. Male bears may compete with each other for access to females, leading to fights or displays of dominance. Once a male has mated with a female, he will typically leave and continue searching for other receptive females. After mating, female bears will typically give birth to a litter of cubs several months later. The gestation period varies depending on the species, ranging from as short as 2 months in the sun bear to as long as 8 months in the polar bear. Female bears will typically care for their cubs on their own, teaching them important survival skills until they are old enough to leave and establish their own territories. Here are some interesting facts about bears. Number 1. Bears are found on every continent except for Australia and Antarctica. Number 2. The largest species of bear is the polar bear, which can weigh over 1,000 pounds. Number 3. Bears are very intelligent animals and have excellent memories, which they use to remember food sources and important landmarks. Number 4. Some bear species, such as the brown bear and the black bear, are excellent climbers and can scale trees to escape danger or access food. Number 5. Despite their size and strength, bears can run at impressive speeds, with some species capable of running up to 30 miles per hour. Number 6. Many bear species are endangered or threatened due to habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Number 7. Bears are important to many ecosystems as seed dispersers, pollinators, and predators. Number 8. In some cultures, bears are revered as sacred animals and are associated with strength, courage, and wisdom. Number 9. Bears have a keen sense of smell, which they use to find food and detect predators. Number 10. In addition to hibernation, some bear species, such as the polar bear, are capable of entering a state of torpor during times of food scarcity, which allows them to conserve energy and survive in harsh environments.